Ooh, that ain't good. It's finally complete. The 1975 Lakewood Kmart K-223 with a Westinghouse motor is restored. Came out great. The paint I chose is much closer to an original Lakewood color than I thought. Actually, I compared this thing up next to a blue Lakewood with good paint, and there's not a big difference at all. It's almost an unnoticeable. You can just barely tell that this one's a different color. Overall, the restoration came out great. This is the fan's original front grille from the factory, unless somebody changed it back in the past before I ever had it, which I'm highly doubting happened. Then the back grille is from my 84 K223, the Tang one. I videoed it a long time ago. That's its back grille. It now has this fan's original back grille on it, and this fan's original back grille is in horrible shape. So that's why it's on there instead of on this fan. Hoping someday I can find some better grills for this thing, but if I can't, I'm going to paint this grill because it's obviously very yellowed. I'm going to paint it back white and everything. I am going to paint it vibrant white to match the vibrant white handle, because I'm assuming this fan's grills were originally vibrant white rather than an off-white like on a fan like that one. Or like the back grill, which the back grill is not yellowed, it's sort of an off-white color. It's not bright white. So maybe they were off-white, I don't know. But they're going to be vibrant white if I gotta repaint these grills. Hoping I can find better ones, but if I gotta, I'm gonna paint these ones. I want this fan to be perfect if I can, get it to be almost perfect again. But for now, it's my best looking old Lakewood box fan. Well, you know, best looking fan that's been restored anyways. But anyway, that's it for this video, so as usual, thank you guys for watching, and I hope all you guys enjoyed.